Okay. Any doubts in exercise 8A? Just to remind you that inequality questions are not there in your syllabus, so don't bother about them. But apart from that, any other doubt in exercise 8A, you can tell me now. Eight A was comparatively easier, basic properties of quadrilaterals. Okay, so I suppose there is.
Sir, can you please show question number 4?
Yeah, sure, I will show. Yes, this is question number 4. You want me to help you with this question 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, let's discuss question number 4. In the figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which the line segments bisecting angle C and angle D meet at E. Okay, so in given, you can write that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Just a moment. ABCD is a quadrilateral. DE bisects angle D and CE bisects angle C. Now, this is not any special kind of quadrilateral. This is a general quadrilateral. So, no sides or angles are equal or parallel. Okay. So, we can say that this side, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. That is given to us. You have to prove that. To prove angle A plus angle B is equal to 2 times angle CED. No construction is required. You can directly go to the proof. Okay. Now, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Sum of all 4 angles is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. So we can say that angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 minus angle A plus angle B. एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी को डायरेक्टली वहां पे लेके गए हम लोग. नेक्स्ट, इन triangle CED, if you can see, angle CED plus angle EDC plus angle ECD is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Angle sum property
Angle sum property
of a triangle. Yes. Now angle CED is what we are interested in. ठीक है, तो उसको एज इट इज रहने देंगे. अभी मैं कुछ रैंडम लोगों का नाम लूंगा और मुझे उनसे क्विक आंसर चाहिए. ठीक है, क्विक आंसर. लाइव क्लास है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, क्विक आंसर देना प्लीज. चलो, सोहम, एंगल ईडीसी क्या है? व्हाट इज एंगल ईडीसी? What is angle EDC? Okay, if you don't understand, it is half of angle D. एंगल EDC पूरे एंगल D का हाफ है, तो मैंने EDC की जगह हाफ ऑफ एंगल D लिखा है. तो मुझे बताओ एंगल ECD क्या है? सोहम, एंगल ECD क्या है?
It is the half of angle C.
वेरी गुड, हाफ ऑफ एंगल C. ठीक है, ग्रेट. अब क्या करेंगे देखो, एंगल CED प्लस हाफ ऑफ angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. ठीक है, so angle CED is equal to 180 minus half of angle C plus angle D. तो मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने यहां पे CED की वैल्यू निकाल ली है. एंगल CED की मैं एंगल C प्लस एंगल D की वैल्यू भी निकाल सकता हूं इन टर्म्स ऑफ CED. आई थिंक दैट विल बी बेटर, वो ज्यादा बेटर होगा. चलो, तो एक स्टेप थोड़ा सा चेंज करेंगे हम लोग. यहां पे व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हाफ ऑफ एंगल C प्लस एंगल D is equal to 180 degrees minus एंगल CED. ठीक है, CED को वो साइड लेके गए. अब ये जो 2 है उसको भी वो साइड ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. सो विल गेट एंगल C प्लस एंगल D is equal to 2 times 180 minus angle CED. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 minus 2 times angle CED. तो अब मुझे मिल गई एंगल C प्लस एंगल D की वैल्यू. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी एक इक्वेशन है जिसमें एंगल C प्लस एंगल D का एक इक्वेशन, एक एक्सप्रेशन हमारे पास है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज we are going to substitute the value of angle C plus angle D in equation number 1. So angle C plus angle D की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे 360 minus 2 times angle CED is equal to 360 minus angle A plus angle B. 360 360 cut, minus minus sign directly cuts, and 2 times angle CED becomes equal to angle A plus angle B. That's what you needed to prove. Did you understand, Manas?
Yes, sir.
Great. So I'm already recording this video. No need to panic of copying this down. You can copy it later. If you want, you can write with me. But right now I expect that all of you, those who are attending the live class, should focus on understanding this method. Any question on this particular sum? Okay. That was question number 4. Any other doubts? In exercise 8A.
Sir, can you please show question number 6?
Yeah, question number 6. ठीक है. So in figure, there is a figure over here. Yeah, great. इसको भी साथ में रखते हैं हम लोग. ABCD is a square. Okay, so ABCD is a square. All these angles are 90 degree. All the sides are also equal because it's a square. An angle PQR, as you can see in the figure, is 90 degree. If PB is equal to QC is equal to DR, PB, QC and DR, these three sides are also equal. Prove that QB is equal to RC. QB is equal to RC. See, QB is equal to RC. If you want to prove they are equal, you can prove it with the help of congruency. So I will tell you how. Let me write. I'm not writing given, okay? I'm directly writing the proof. तो चलो ये क्वेश्चन के लिए who will help me? Tanvi?
Yes, sir.
Since it is your exam tomorrow, you help me with this question. Next question I will take Pritha. Yes, so we have to, तुम्हारे सामने है जो भी given है, ABCD
Yes.
square है, PB, QC, DR equal है, and I have to prove that QB is equal to RC. तो कौन से दो ट्राइंगल हम कंसिडर करेंगे?
Triangle PBQ and triangle RCQ.
परफेक्ट. ठीक है, ये तो इजी था इसको समझना. अच्छा, before we go and write the name of the triangles which we are considering and prove them congruent and prove these sides equal by CPCTC, can you tell me by which test these two triangles can be proved congruent? By which test can you prove them congruent?
SAS.
Very good, SAS. तो गुड विजुअलाइजेशन, वेरी नाइस. बताओ अभी SAS कैसे लगाएंगे? Before I write anything, you should be able to look at the two triangles. That is, wait. This is one of the triangle, right? And this is the other triangle. So can you tell me कि SAS में क्या equal होगा किससे?
PB will be equal to CQ given.
PB will be
Then
equal to CQ, okay?
angle B will be equal to angle C as the
Both
angles
90
of square
degrees.
are equal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Okay, okay, I understand that here the you can say some confusion arises. No problem. Now see, as I told you कि हमें congruency से ये prove करना पड़ेगा. Actually गलत था ये. Congruency से पहले हमें ये prove करना पड़ेगा. Because हमारे पास parts कम है. सिर्फ 2 parts हैं जो अभी तुमने list किए. We want more parts to be equal. For that, I'm writing, uh, I'm showing what has to be proved beforehand, before using congruency. Actually, QB is equal to RC without congruency हम prove कर सकते हैं. See how. Can I say that AB is equal to DC? AB is equal to DC. Sides of
Yes, sir.
square. Square की sides है, right? अच्छा. Uh, can I say that PB is equal to DR? PB is equal to DR.
Yes, sir.
Why? Given. PB is equal to DR तो given है. PB is equal to QC is equal to DR. Okay. So can I say that AB minus PB is equal to DC minus DR? If two sides are equal, or if two objects are equal, उसमें से equal चीज subtract करोगे तो उसका जो remaining चीज होगा वो भी equal होगा. हमने यूक्लिड ज्योमेट्री में पढ़ा था. If equals are subtracted from equals, the answers will be equal. If equals are added to equals, the answers will be equal. याद है? Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no? Please जवाब दो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. ठीक है. तो AB minus PB. यहाँ पे अच्छा मैंने कुछ तो उल्टा लिख दिया है. एक मिनट. AB नहीं आएगा. हमें लेना पड़ेगा BC, क्योंकि हमें QB को प्रूव करना है. सिर्फ वही फर्क है. BC इज इक्वल टू DC. जहां पे AB लिया था उसकी जगह पे मैं BC ले रहा हूं. ठीक है. BC इज इक्वल टू DC एंड PB की जगह पे मुझे लेना पड़ेगा CQ. PB की जगह लेना पड़ेगा CQ. तो फर्क कितना है सिर्फ कि यहाँ पे BC माइनस CQ करने वाला हूं मैं. ठीक है. तो कैन यू टेल मी कि BC माइनस CQ कितना होगा?
BQ.
वेरी गुड. BQ इज इक्वल टू DC माइनस DR कितना होगा?
CR.
वेरी गुड. CR. ठीक है. सो BQ इज इक्वल टू CR. BQ इज इक्वल टू CR यहां पे प्रूव हो गया. मतलब ये फर्स्ट वाला चीज प्रूव हो गया. नाउ वी कैन यूज कॉन्ग्रुएंसी. सो as we discussed earlier, in triangle PBQ and triangle QCR, PBQ and QCR triangle में PB is equal to QC given BQ is equal to CR proved. Angle PBQ is equal to angle QCR, both 90 degree. Therefore, triangle PBQ is congruent to triangle QCR. By which test? By SAS test. ठीक है. ये तो congruent हो गया. And therefore, look at this thing. We have to prove that PQ is equal to QR. Therefore, we can say that PQ is equal to QR CP CT. ठीक है, ये भी हो गया प्रूव. Next thing, last thing we have to prove is angle QPR is 45 degree. That's very easy. Now see, if PQ is equal to QR, which we have just proved, and in triangle PQR angle Q is 90 degree, so these two angles must be equal to each other. So ये दोनों एंगल को हम x ले लेंगे और एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से x की वैल्यू हमें मिलेगी 45 डिग्रीज. ये हम आराम से ढूंढ सकते हैं. मानस, was it clear?
Sir.
ठीक. और कोई डाउट है आपको?
No, sir. Thank you.
Great. So I think we can move to the second exercise. 8B तुम्हारे सामने है. एट बी में all the questions are based on the properties of parallelograms, जिसमें parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, ये सब की प्रॉपर्टीज के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस है. इसमें प्रूफ बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी है, इवैल्यूएट वाले क्वेश्चंस भी है. लेट मी सी कौन है ये मीटिंग में. अथर्व, 8B सबमिट नहीं किया तूने?
सर वो थोड़ा बचा है.
ठीक है. मृण्मयी,
Yes, sir.
have you submitted all the exercises?
No, sir. Sir, I'll submit it till tomorrow.
Tomorrow is the test.
Yes, sir. I'll submit it till tomorrow morning.
Okay. Kaushal, Kaushal, कौशल, ठीक है, मत आंसर करो, रिकॉर्ड तो हो रही है चीज ही. अच्छा ठीक है. ज्वाइन फ्रॉम अदर डिवाइस देन वी टॉक. संजोत,
Yes, sir.
you've submitted everything?
No, sir. I will submit it tomorrow.
Just a moment. हेलो. हाँ संजोत, कुछ बोल रही थी तुम?
सर मैं कल सुबह तक सबमिट कर देती हूँ.
कितना हुआ है बेटा तुम्हारा 8A 8B में 8C कितना हो गया?
सर 8A हो गया है, 8B और 8C है.
बहुत बड़ी एक्सरसाइजेस है.
सर मैं ट्राई करती हूँ सबमिट करने के लिए.
ठीक है. कौशल, कौशल,
यस सर.
क्या हो रहा है सबमिशन का?
सर एक्चुअली 8A कंप्लीटेड है, बस 8B हाफ ऑलमोस्ट हो ही गया और 8C थोड़ा बचा है.
अच्छा
आज शाम तक सबमिट कर दूंगा.
ठीक है. कनिष्का,
यस सर.
what about your submission?
सर आई विल आल्सो सबमिट टिल टुमारो.
You have not submitted any of the exercises.
यस सर आई विल सबमिट टिल टुमारो.
Okay. ठीक है. Okay, चलो let's get on the Doubts? Tanvi and Pritha, I'm not asking about submission because your exams are ongoing and I understand that you guys cannot, you don't have to do the homework, but you have to practice. So you can submit after your exams. Please ask your doubt from exercise 8B if you have any. Those who submitted the homework.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I have doubt in 8A, question 7th second.
Just a moment. Let me go back to 8A. Question 7 you said. Second one. बेटा क्वेश्चन 7 तो इनइक्वालिटी वाला है, ये नहीं करना है अपने को. It's an inequality based question from exercise 8A, so you can leave that, okay? Tanvi, you were there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can leave it. Don't worry about that question. Yes, please. Any question from exercise 8B? I'm surprised.
20.
Which one?
Sir, 21.
21, yeah, that's what I was thinking about. Okay, so let's take help from Pritha. Pritha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, chalo. Help me write the given part. Yes, the question is in front of you. Please help me write the given part.
BA is equal to AB.
Okay, सबसे पहले
ABCD is a parallelogram.
exactly. ABCD is a parallelogram.
Then BE is equal to AB.
Okay, that's
Yes,
it. That's
and
it.
then to prove
Okay,
will be ED to prove is ED bisects BC.
ED bisects BC. ED bisects BC. That is OB is equal to OC, right? That's what we have to prove.
Yes, sir.
Great. Any construction is required?
No.
Very good. Proof.
AB is equal to DC.
AB is
Opposite
equal
sides
to,
of parallelogram are equal.
very good, opposite sides
Then
of parallelogram.
DC is equal to BE.
DC is equal to BE
BE as AB is equal to DC.
since AB is
Is
equal to
equal to
DC
DC.
and
Then
also AB
DO.
is equal to BE, right? Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Then DOC is equal to EOB.
yeah, so
Vertically opposite angles.
before we proceed, I think we should consider triangles, right? So in triangle
Oh
BOE
yes.
and triangle COD, yeah, we can say that BE is equal to CD. Proved. Yeah, next part, please.
Then B is equal to, yes. Then DOC is equal to EOB. Vertically opposite angles.
Angle BOE is equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angles.
Then DCB is equal to CBE, alternate interior angles.
I will write it, since I have considered triangle BOE first, I will write it as angle OBE. Angle OBE is equal to angle OCD.
Okay.
Alternate interior.
Alternate interior angles.
Correct.
So the given triangles are equal by AAS, are congruent by AAS test. And then in the last, OB is equal to OC by CP CTC.
Okay. Therefore,
OB is equal to OC by CP CTC. And here we add the proof.
that's it. So
Yes.
ED bisects BC. Very good. This was an easy question. Gitika, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Great. Very nice. Chalo. Any other doubt in exercise 8B?
Sir, question 16.
Okay, let's look at question number 16. Nice question. Krishna, are you there?
Yes, sir.
It's your exam also, right, tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
So help me with question number 16. Help me write the given part, please.
Sir, I also have the same doubt.
चल ना हेल्प तो कर. गिवन तो लिखवा ले.
Okay, sir.
मैं तेरे को हेल्प करूंगा आगे, बट थोड़ा थोड़ा साथ में करते हैं, ठीक है? चल.
Sir, in triangle ABC.
लिखने की ज़रूरत है ऐसी. सीधा सीधा लिख सकते हैं ना, क्योंकि दोनों ट्राइंगल तो है. सीधा लिखते हैं AB is parallel to DE. DE. AB is parallel to DE. And
AB is equal to DE.
Very good.
And BC is parallel to EF.
BC is parallel to EF. And BC is equal to EF. तो ये पैरेलल हो गया. यहाँ पे पैरेलल की एक नई साइन दे देते हैं हम लोग, और इक्वालिटी की साइन भी यहाँ पे हम लोग बना देते हैं, ठीक है? अब क्लैरिटी है. टू प्रूव, क्या लिखूं टू प्रूव में? AC is parallel to DF and AC is equal to DF. AC is parallel to DF and AC is equal to DF. Correct? Okay, great. कंस्ट्रक्शन क्या होगा? यहाँ पे कर दिया है कंस्ट्रक्शन. कृष्णा, अनिकेता, अनिकेता, और कौन है यहाँ पे? आर्या?
Yes, sir.
Arya, please help me with construction.
Sir, to join AD, CF and BE.
Very good. Join AD, CF
And BE.
and BE. Very good. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, even if the construction is already done, we have to mention the construction.
You have to. It is must. Since in the question, if you read the question, it is nowhere mentioned that these lines are joined. Also, in the figure which is given to you, these lines are joined in a dotted manner. So dotted lines जो भी होती है वो construction ही होता है, इसलिए तुम्हें वो लिखना
Okay,
पड़ेगा.
sir.
Even if it is shown,
Okay, sir.
you have to write it.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Arya, let's do the proof.
Yes, sir.
So we have written what is given. We have to now, hey, I wrote it to prove AC is parallel to DF. We have to prove when AC is equal to DF.
Yes, sir.
So how will we prove it?
Sir, in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF,
Mm-hmm.
AB is equals to DE
Okay.
given,
Mm-hmm.
BC is equals to EF
Mm-hmm.
given,
Mm-hmm.
and angle ABC
Mm-hmm.
is equals to angle DEF.
How can you prove that? That is not given. How can you prove that?
Sir, alternate angles.
नहीं बेटा, कैसे होगा alternate angles?
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles. नहीं, ऐसे स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड तो हम नहीं बोल सकते.
Sir, angles between parallel lines.
एंगल्स बिटवीन पैरेलल लाइंस, ऐसा तो कोई एंगल इक्वल होते नहीं है. लाइंस और एंगल्स में हमने पढ़ा नहीं है ऐसा कुछ. ठीक है, लेट मी गिव यू सम लिटिल आइडिया. कैन यू सी
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
what we have to prove?
वी हैव टू प्रूव दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट, ABC एंड DEF. और इसके लिए एंगल ABC और DEF को इक्वल प्रूव करना जरूरी है. तो वही उसके लिए मैं बता रहा हूं कैसे करना है तुम्हें. ठीक है. सो see, if this is X, this angle CBE, can you see CBE?
Yes, sir.
Wait, before that, can you see that BC is parallel to EF and BC is equal to EF?
Yes, sir.
BC is parallel to EF and BC is equal to EF. Therefore, BCFE is a parallelogram. Since
Yes, sir.
one of the opposite sides are equal and parallel, hence this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. तो इसको पहले parallelogram prove कर दो BCEF को. अब मैंने क्या बोला कि एंगल CBE को x ले लो. Let angle CBE is equal to x. ठीक है. Therefore, angle CBE plus angle FEB. Can you see angle FEB?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to 180 degree. Can you tell me the reason?
Adjacent sides of parallelogram are supplemented.
Adjacent angles.
Sir, I said angles only.
You said sides. It's on record, baby. Adjacent angles of parallelogram. Adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. So CBEX plus angle FEB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle FEB is equal to 180 minus x. मतलब मैं कौन से एंगल की बात कर रहा हूं मैं बता देता हूं. ये पूरे एंगल की बात कर रहा हूं मैं. ये कितना हो गया? 180 माइनस x. ठीक है. ओके. याद रखो हमें कौन सा एंगल चाहिए. हमें चाहिए एंगल ABC. सिर्फ एंगल ABC चाहिए. ठीक है. ओके. अब before I write anything, I just want to show you that in quadrilateral ABED, AB is parallel to DE and AB is equal to DE. So ABED will become a parallelogram. Why is it a parallelogram? Because one of its opposite sides are equal and parallel. AB और DE parallel भी है, equal भी है, इसलिए ABDE तो parallelogram हो जाएगा. इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब है कि ये वाला एंगल, ये दिख रहा है तुम्हें, और ये वाला एंगल, ये वाला, ये दोनों कौन से एंगल हो जाएंगे? दे विल बी एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. समझ में आ रहा है तुमको मैंने क्या लिखा?
यस सर.
विजुअलाइजेशन है इसमें मेन. पहले मैंने क्वाड्रिलैटरल BCFE लिया था, अब मैं क्वाड्रिलैटरल ABED ले रहा हूं. ठीक है, सो ध्यान से देखना इसको. सो see what I'm writing over here. मैं थोड़ा सा छोटा लिखता हूं because we have to keep the figure in front of us. So I'm writing that AB is parallel to DE and AB is equal to DE. Therefore, ABED is a parallelogram. ABED is a parallelogram. ठीक है. Therefore, since one of the opposite sides are equal and parallel, ठीक है, वो लिख सकते हो तुम. Therefore, angle ABE plus angle BED is equal to 180 degree. Now, reason क्या होगा इसका? Adjacent angles of parallelogram. So, let angle ABE is equal to Y. ये जो पूरा एंगल है ABE, इसको हम लोग ने क्या ले लिया? Y. ABE को हमने ले लिया Y. ठीक है. So angle ABE is Y. So Y plus angle BED is equal to 180 degree and therefore angle BED is equal to 180 minus Y. तुम सोचोगे कहाँ जा रहा है क्वेश्चन? You will get to it. Okay, don't worry about it. थोड़ा पेशेंस रखो, समझ में आएगा. तो एंगल BED को हमने 180 माइनस वाई बनाया. ये जो ब्लू वाला पार्ट है ना, दैट इज 180 माइनस वाई. अब एक्चुअली हमें कौन सा एंगल ढूंढना है वो देखो तुम. लेट मी हाईलाइट दैट एंगल विच वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन. वो ये येलो वाला पार्ट है. ठीक है, दैट इज एंगल ABC and angle DEF. तो आर्या, can you tell me angle ABC क्या होगा?
Sir, half of angle.
Let me stop you there. It is not half of anything. Can you see the blue and the red angles which are adjacent to angle ABC?
Yes sir.
तो एंगल ABC को मैं ब्लू माइनस रेड नहीं लिख सकता? लिख सकता हूं ना?
Yes sir. Yes
तो
sir.
ब्लू वाला एंगल कौन सा है बताओ जरा आर्या.
Angle ABE.
वेरी गुड. एंगल ABE. ये एंगल ABE किससे बना है?
Sir, angle ABC and CBE.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. तो ये एंगल ABE हमने क्या लिया था?
Y.
एंगल ABC तो हमें ढूंढना है. और एंगल CBE हमने क्या लिया था?
X.
वेरी गुड. सो एंगल ABC हो जाएगा y माइनस x. ध्यान से देखना, एंगल
Yes, sir.
ABC की वैल्यू हमने निकाल ली है y माइनस x. ये येलो वाला जो पार्ट है वो क्या है? y माइनस x. ठीक है. अब शिफ्ट योर फोकस टू द अदर साइड आर्या.
Yes sir.
टेल मी कि ये ब्लू वाला एंगल बड़ा है या रेड वाला एंगल बड़ा है दूसरी साइड में?
Sir, red वाला.
वेरी गुड. तो रेड वाले एंगल का नाम बताओ.
एंगल FEB.
एंगल FEB किससे किससे बना है ये एंगल?
एंगल FED एंड एंगल DEB.
एंगल FED प्लस एंगल
एंगल
DEB. वेरी गुड. तो FEB को हमने क्या ढूंढा था? FEB को इफ यू
180 डिग्री माइनस x.
180 माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू FED तो हमें ढूंढना है.
यस.
और DEB को हमने क्या ढूंढा था? DEB को इफ यू सी ओवर हियर, BED या DEB एक ही है. क्या ढूंढा था हमने उसको?
180 माइनस x.
180 माइनस y. ठीक है, तो ये 180 दोनों साइड से कट हो गया.
यस.
और ये जो y है ना, ये वो साइड शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. सो y माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू एंगल FED. मतलब ये जो येलो वाला पार्ट है वो क्या 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 मिला हमें? y minus x. So let
Yes,
me
sir.
just erase everything and write that this angle is y minus x and this angle is also y
y
minus
minus
x. अगर तुम directly लिखते हो corresponding angle between parallel lines, नहीं चलेगा. You have to show this part. ठीक है?
yes sir.
अब congruency करेंगे हम लोग. So congruency के लिए in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF and angle ABC is equal to angle DEF, क्योंकि दोनों y minus x है. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by SAS, and therefore we can say that AC is equal to DF. AC is equal to DF. अच्छा, अभी AC इक्वल तो हो गया DF से, पैरेलल कैसे होगा? बहुत इजी है. देखो, BE
Yes.
CF से पैरेलल है कि नहीं है?
Yes.
क्यों?
Because BCFE is a parallelogram.
परफेक्ट. एंड BE AD से पैरेलल है या नहीं है?
Yes sir.
क्यों?
As ADFC is a parallelogram.
ADEB is a parallelogram.
ADEB.
ADEB is a parallelogram. इसलिए AD और BE पैरेलल है. जो हमें दिया है बेसिकली, जो हमने प्रूव किया है कि BCFE पैरेललोग्राम है और ABED पैरेललोग्राम है. ठीक है, या फिर हम सीधा लिख सकते हैं कि गिवन है ये. इसलिए हम बोल सकते हैं फ्रॉम 1 and 2 AD is parallel to CF. ठीक है.
Yes.
और हमने ऑलरेडी प्रूव किया है कि AC is equal to DF. अच्छा, AD CF से इक्वल भी होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि CF BE से इक्वल है, AD भी BE से इक्वल है. तो AD और CF इक्वल भी है, पैरेलल भी है. इसलिए
Yes.
ADFC इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. एंड इसके लिए हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि AC इज पैरेलल टू DF, ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. तो वो भी प्रूव हो जाएगा कि AC इज पैरेलल टू DF. 2-3 स्टेटमेंट और ज्यादा लिखने पड़ेंगे उसके लिए, बट या दिस इज द मेथड.
Yes sir.
Did all of you understand this?
Yes sir.
Good. Any other doubt in exercise 8B? Okay, so we will move to exercise 8C. That is the last part of the chapter. And this part is about two very interesting theorems. 2 or 3 basically, but mostly 2 theorems are used very frequently, as I discussed in the video. That is midpoint theorem and converse of midpoint theorem. So very interesting questions, which are the mixture of triangles and quadrilaterals, are based on this part. Any doubts in this part, please tell me. I will help you all.
Sir,
Yes.
I have doubt in 11th question.
11th question. Okay, let me check. Yes, this is based on intercept theorem as far as I can understand. Okay, in the figure, points M and N divide AB of triangle ABC into 3 equal parts. इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका ये मतलब है कि चलो किसी को लेते हैं साथ में डिस्कशन के लिए. किसने ट्राई नहीं किया अभी तक? Who wants to?
Sir,
Yes. Who is that?
Sir Gitika.
Yes, Gitika. Yeah. Please volunteer. M and N divide AB of triangle ABC into 3 equal parts. So can I write some straightforward given information based on this?
Sir, ABCD is a triangle in which M and N divide AB into 3 equal parts.
Yeah, so straight away,
Therefore,
what can I say?
Sir, AM is equals to MN is equals to NB.
Very good. AM is equal to MN is equal to NB.
NB.
अच्छा, यहाँ पे मैं दिखा देता हूँ, एक मिनट. ठीक है, ये हो गया. Now, next they are saying line segment MP, NQ and NQ are both parallel to BC. चलो, गिवन में क्या लिखेंगे?
Sir, MP is parallel to NQ and parallel to BC.
Very good. And meet AC in PNQ. ठीक है, वो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Prove that PNQ divide AC into 3 equal parts. Yes. To prove लिखेंगे सीधा. What is to be proved?
Sir, AP is equals to PQ and PQ is equals to QC.
Great. Any construction is required?
Sir, we have to join MC.
We have to join
MC.
MC.
C. Yes, sir.
I don't think it is required. We can use intercept theorem. See, I will show you what is the construction. See, in the question, this is for all of you who are confused with what is the construction. All of you, just listen to me. In the question, have they mentioned about line XY? Is there any mention of line XY in the question? No, right? So, in construction, you have to mention XY. Although it is not dotted, फिर भी उसको mention करना ज़रूरी है. Draw XY parallel to MP parallel to NQ parallel to BC. ठीक है, XY को हमें draw करना है passing through A. Draw XY passing through A. Okay. Okay. ये तो कंस्ट्रक्शन हो गया. अब प्रूफ स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं हम लोग. यस. सो गीतिका, do you remember equal intercepts theorem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me the statement?
the
What is the statement? Equal intercept theorem.
Sir, if there are three parallel lines and the intercepts made by them on one transversal are equal, then the intercepts on any other transversal are also equal.
Very good. Very good. So there can be three or more parallel lines, for that matter. Three or more parallel lines. Intercepts made by a transversal on three or more parallel lines are equal if the intercepts made by a transversal on three or more parallel lines are equal. Then the intercepts made by any other transversal on these three or more parallel lines will also be equal. Okay, so using this equal intercept theorem, we can easily prove that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QC directly without bothering about any other theorem, midpoint or whatever. Okay, so in proof, I'm going to say that transversal AB cuts XY, MP, NQ and BC at A, M, N and B respectively. Transversal AB cuts XY, MP, NQ and BC at A, M, N and B respectively, making three equal intercepts, which are AM is equal to MN is equal to NB. Therefore, transversal AC will also make equal intercepts with these three parallel lines, which are XY, not 3 but 4 parallel lines, XY, MP, NQ and BC. Therefore, we can say that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QC by intercept theorem or equal intercept theorem. That's it. This is how the statement will go. Okay, so this was question number 11th of exercise 8C. Please let me know if there are any other doubts in exercise 8C.
No, sir.
See, there are many students whose homework is still left, so they might get doubts later, but the doubts will not be solved immediately. That means you have to first give the test now, because you all are given enough time for doing your homework and submission, and then I keep your test, and before the test I keep the doubt class. So those who have not done the homework, now they have an idea that how to solve these questions, right? Because we are part of the live class and we are doing the discussions. But please understand that any further more doubts will not be solved immediately. They will be solved after the test or maybe in the next live class. So till then they have to wait. Before that they have to appear for the test. Okay, so I want to ask those students who has exam tomorrow, Pritha, Tanvi and Atharva, I think. No, Krishna. Do you guys have doubts in any other chapter, any other topic?
Sir,
Yes, Tanvi.
sir, I sent you a doubt along, but you have not included in the video. You told it.
Okay, let me check in your message. Okay, I will solve it right away, don't worry. When did you send me?
Sir, it was when you just started the quadrilaterals.
Oh, yes, I remember. Okay, let's do it right now. Yeah, I did not start quadrilateral then. I remember. Tanvi, can you send it to me again if you can right now?
Sure, sir.
Yeah, so I will take it because it's not seem to. It is there, but it's, I don't know. Okay, I found it. Is this the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me copy it to my notebook. Okay, so this is the doubt. Let's discuss this one. In figure ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle A is 80 degrees. The bisectors of angle A and B meet at P on DC. Prove that AD is equal to DP and PC is equal to BC. Also prove that DC is 2 times AD. I think we had done the same question in one of the videos, but no problem, we'll do it again. Let me draw the figure again clearly. Who will volunteer for this question?
So can I?
Who is that?
So Gitika.
No, Gitika, your chance is over. Let somebody else come. Who else is ready? किसको चांस नहीं मिला है? अथर्व? अथर्व? मृण्मयी? मृण्मयी?
Yes, sir.
Can you volunteer?
Sir, just 1 second.
Sure.
Yes, sir. So first we'll write given.
Okay.
ABCD is a parallelogram where A is equal to 80 degree.
Just a moment. ABCD is a parallelogram. Angle A is equal to 80 degree. Okay. AP and BP bisect angle A and angle B respectively? Yes.
Then to prove
Mm-hmm.
AD is equal to DP, PC is equal to BC, and DC is equal to 2AD.
Any construction is required?
Sir, I guess no.
Great. Okay, let's begin. How do we begin? Yes, Mrinmay, how do we begin?
Sir, we'll consider two triangles.
Okay, so you want me to start with congruency?
Yes, sir.
Without congruency, we can prove the first two things. That is, AD is equal to DP and PC is equal to BC. Without congruency हो सकता है ना? पहले वो कर लेते हैं ना? सोचो सोचो सोचो, किया हुआ ना ये क्वेश्चन वीडियो में.
Sir, AD is equals to BC.
AD is equal to BC. Who is that?
Sir, Arya.
Arya, please wait. Let Mrinmay think. When Mrinmay says give up, she gives up. I will go to somebody else. Mrinmay?
Sir, because it is a parallelogram, so of course AD will be equal to BC, but then
what?
next.
Then what?
I get it.
So you give up, right?
Yes, sir.
इतना इजीली मत करो यार, गिव अप. ठीक है, लेट्स गो टू संजोत.
Yes, sir.
Can you help me?
Sure, sir.
Yeah, tell me how to begin. मेरे को प्रूव करना है AD इज इक्वल टू DP. ठीक है, कैसे करूंगा? If you want to give up, you can. So I can go to somebody else.
Sir, I'm not able to understand.
No problem. No problem. Let me go to Pritha. Pritha? Pritha? She is not there. Okay, let me go to Tanvi, because this is your doubt, Tanvi. And this doubt was asked to me by you before we started quadrilaterals. Now quadrilateral is ended, so you should be able to help me, Tanvi.
Yes, sir.
How do we prove AD is equal to DP? Okay, let me help you. Angle DPA is equal to angle PAB. DPA is equal to angle PAB. Can you tell me the reason?
Sir, can you please repeat the both angles which you said just now?
Angle DPA is equal to angle
Sir?
PAB.
Sir,
Sir,
alternate interior angle.
क्या बात है, अभी आंसर आ रहे हैं. Alternate interior angles. alternate interior angles. Angle DPA is equal to angle PAB. Correct. But angle PAB is equal to angle DAP given. Therefore, angle DAP is equal to angle DPA. ठीक है, देखो ये वाला एंगल इससे इक्वल है, ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल, लेकिन ये वाला एंगल तो इससे इक्वल है क्योंकि AP बाइसेक्टर है, गिवन है, तो एंगल DAP और एंगल DPA इक्वल हो जाएंगे, राइट? Therefore, we can say that DP is equal to AD. Sides opposite to equal angles. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. DP is equal to AD. ठीक है, प्रूव हो गया ये DP is equal to AD.
Yes, sir.
ग्रेट. कौन था सबसे पहले मेरे साथ? मृण्मयी थी ना?
Yes, sir.
चलो मृण्मयी, अब तो यार, अब तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है. कम ऑन यार, PC is equal to BC.
Okay, sir. So here we'll take angle PCB.
Sorry.
Angle PCB.
Sorry.
I'm not going wrong.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
So can I?
Yes, Manas.
Sir, similarly like we did earlier, sir, we will consider angle PBA and angle BPC. So, sir, they are equal since they are alternate interior angles.
Angle CPB is equal to angle PBA.
And
Alternate
sir,
interior angles. एक minute. Right. So this
Uh,
angle is equal to this. Yeah. And
sir, angle PBA is equal to angle PBC. So, sir, but angle PBA is equal to angle BPC. Therefore, angle BPC is equal to angle PBC.
तुमने एंगल का नाम थोड़ा गलत लिया. Therefore, angle CPB is equal to angle PBC. ठीक है, CPB PBA से इक्वल है, PBA PBC से इक्वल है, तो CPB PBC से इक्वल होगा. एंड therefore इसका मतलब है कि ये दोनों एंगल, ये वाला और ये वाला इक्वल है. इसके लिए यस, टेल मी मानस.
Sir, because angle BPC is equal to angle PBC, which we prove. Therefore, sir, PC is equal to BC, sides opposite to equal angles.
ठीक है, साइड्स ऑपोजिट टू इक्वल एंगल्स, मतलब ये वाली साइड इससे इक्वल है. ठीक है, तो ये भी हो गया. PC इज इक्वल टू BC. DC.
Sir, may I?
Yes, please, Aniket. DC is 2 times AD. Last part of the question.
Sir, as DC is equal. Sir, we have to prove. So DC is equal to DP plus PC.
Okay, let me write it as you are saying. DC is equal to DP plus PC.
Yes, sir. And sir, and AD is equal to DP.
अच्छा, तो DP की जगह AD लिखूं? क्या करूं, क्या लिखना है?
No, sir, as DP is equal to AD, so DC is equal to AD plus PC.
एक मिनट. As DP is equal to AD and as PC is equal to BC, also AD
BC
is
to
equal
AD.
to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram.
Parallelogram are equal.
ठीक है, इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका ये मतलब है कि DP AD से इक्वल है, PC BC से इक्वल है और खुद AD और BC आपस में इक्वल है. सो इसका मतलब ये DP और PC भी इक्वल होंगे, मतलब ये सब सेम है. दीज आर ऑल इक्वल. ठीक है, सो
Yes,
वी
sir.
कैन सिंपली राइट इट एज therefore DC is equal to DP की जगह पे मैं AD लिखूंगा. PC BC से इक्वल है, BC AD से इक्वल है, तो PC की जगह भी मैं AD लिखूंगा. सो
Yes,
DC
sir.
इज इक्वल टू 2
To
टाइम्स
AD.
AD. ये अपना लास्ट प्रूफ था. ठीक है, डिड एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
तन्वी,
Yes, sir.
तन्वी, डाउट
Yes,
क्लियर?
sir. Yes, sir.
ग्रेट ग्रेट. जस्ट अ मोमेंट, 1 मिनट वेट करो.